Chris and Norm. We're on our way south, and we thought we'd stop and play with our drones, and we got a new one, and it does a bunch of features we hadn't played with yet, so we thought we'd give it a try. And I wanted to also tell you and show you at the back of this video how you check to see if you're allowed to fly in that one spot. And there's an awesome app before you fly, and really simple app, and you hit it, and I'll do a screen recording of the spot where we rolled into a dry lake bed, which are all over the place around here. There's some that are way bigger than that one. And when you start to play with the drones, it's the most awesome spot to do that, and I love ripping my bike around on it, and just kind of good times. You're on the road with Chris and Norm. So we've come to the playa, having a look around. Got the new DJI 3 Pro Mini, well, some. And here's our other DJI, getting set up for a flight. And we are Luning, Nevada. That's Luning over there. So we're playing with the drones a little bit. Here's what is that one? A Maverick?
Maverick Air, yeah.
Maverick Air, right? Got some noise to her. Weighs a bit, and let's see what this one does. This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. How close can you fly to the other one?
This is very expensive at fucking top.
Come on. It's a child. Oh, come on, that's close enough. Oh, wait a second. Whoa, man. They don't like me coming nearby. Look, they're both getting twitchy. But this guy here is supposed to really, he's supposed to, is this the most bizarre thing you've ever seen? Oh, look, that's actually pretty. Look at that shot. All right.
Land that one? You gonna land that one?
Yeah. Luning, Nevada, where we were in the dry lake bed. And we're going to zoom right in. We're going to drop a pin down right there. And look, it says clear for takeoff. That's how good this app is. And if you want to check out a restricted zone, we're going to move down the highway here to the Hawthorne Army base. And let's drop the pin here and see what it does. restricted operations. That doesn't mean that you can't fly. So here it says what exactly it is and what the restrictions exactly are. And you see the little button that says know to fly and fly. Give it a press, and it takes you through a sequence of trying to know to fly and get permission to fly. And not really sure how that works. I don't really want to try flying on Army base, but you try it. And you're on the road with Norm and Chris.